Here I read out these sentences and underline a few words. He has got car. He has got car. I use toothbrush to clean my teeth. I want banana. She will buy chair for me. I like to read book. She has job. Now I underline these words: car, toothbrush, banana, chair, book, job. Now think of these underlined words: car, toothbrush, banana, chair, book, job. You get different images before your eyes. Car, you get an image of a car, and that's a common car. Toothbrush, when I say toothbrush, you form an idea of a toothbrush. Banana, you get clear image of banana, not a particular banana any as such. Chair, you get an image of chair. Book and job. So these are the words which give us an image, common image, not a particular image. Like car means which car? It's not a particular car, but then you get a common idea, common image, and such words which give us common idea and common image of a thing or a person, such words are called as nouns. These are all nouns. Now here we talk about these nouns. We are studying nouns in detail. So let us talk about all these nouns which I have underlined over here. He has got car. Now let us think, how many cars? We are talking about just one car, single car. So nouns can be single and nouns can be plural, singular and plural. Let's talk about single noun here, common noun. Now this is common noun. This is common noun. This is not any particular or personal noun. Car means it's common. Toothbrush, it's common noun. Banana, it's common noun. Chair, common noun. So this is again one more type of noun. So we are talking about here common noun which is single, which is singular. Now let's look at this. He has got car. Means this is single car and this is common car. I use toothbrush, any toothbrush, right? Single only, one toothbrush to clean my teeth. I want banana. Here I'm not, talking about bananas. Remember, we are talking about one banana. I want banana. She will buy chair. Only one chair. I'm talking about one chair. I like to read book, any book in general, and job. She has job. Job in general. When you look at these sentences, then you will realize something is going wrong with these sentences grammatically. Now, what is the fault here? He has got car. We are talking about one car, and that's common car, not any particular car, and we are then making mistake over here. Before car there should be something. Here also I use toothbrush. Now this is common toothbrush and this is in general. I want banana. This is in general. This is one banana. She will buy chair. This is again any common chair. I like to read book. Any book, common book, general book. She has job, any job. So here we need to add a specific word before this noun. This is common noun. So what is that word called as? So this is to show that this is single. This word noun is single, this is common. So he has got a car. Means common, and that's for single. I use a toothbrush. I want a banana. She will buy a chair. I like to read a book. She has a job. So what is this A? A is nothing but an article. A is nothing but an article. So this noun is taking this important article, then only it becomes grammatically correct. So which nouns do take which articles? Is there any one single article? No, there is and, to, and the. But here we are talking about a and an, these two articles. We are talking about nouns, common nouns, and these a and an particularly. When to make use of a and when to make use of an and the other article the. We will do this study in detail in some other lesson. But for the time being, we are focusing on these nouns and this article a or an. We know now that common noun, when it is single, take an article a or an. Now this is for the time being that we know that common nouns do come, common nouns when they are single are taking a or an. But this is not complete information. So it all depends the use of a and an on this noun. So we will have to understand what type of common noun is used. So we will have to understand the types of common nouns. So let's study these nouns and then we will understand whether we have to make use of a or an, or we don't have to make use of a or an. So sometimes these nouns may not take an article, may not take a or an. So we will have to identify now which common nouns do take article a or an and which nouns do not take any article like a or an. So let's study this in detail. Here I have listed a few common nouns like chair, pen, car, book, boy, school, driver, child. And here is another category: rice, oil, sugar, health, tea, water, ink, interest, music. So both these categories are nouns, common nouns, but I have divided them into two parts. What is the reason? Let's understand. Compare. Chair. Now I can talk about one chair, a chair, and also I can make chairs, many chairs, plural. A pen, single pen in general, or pens. Car, a car, cars. A book, books. A boy, boys. A school, schools. Driver, a driver, drivers. Child, a child, children. Now let's try out here for this category. Rice. Can we say a rice? Or can we say rices? Can we add a or yes to this and make plural? Rices. Have you ever heard rices? No. Here again, oil. An oil or oils? No. Sugar. A sugar, one sugar? No. Sugars? No. Health. A health or healths? No. Tea. A tea? Teas? No. Water? A water? No. Inks? No. Interest? A interest? An interest? No. Music? A music? No. So here it is very clear that these nouns can be counted and these nouns cannot be counted like this, a or by adding s. So these nouns which are counted are called as countable nouns. These are countable nouns. And these nouns which cannot be counted like this, they are called as uncountable nouns. So we have here two types of nouns: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now it's important to know why we try to know about countable and uncountable. So when we know this is countable and this is singular, we must take a or an. I told you, we must take a or an when we know this noun is countable and this noun is singular. We must know the uncountable nouns Sometimes we do add a or an unnecessarily to uncountable nouns, which is wrong. Or sometimes we add s and make plural to this. We make plural of this, which is wrong, in English. So here, friends, you must have understood why we are studying countables and uncountables. So here we need to take a or an when the noun is singular and countable. And we should not take a or an when the noun is uncountable. So let us study some examples to understand it better and in detail. Let's understand countable and uncountable nouns in these examples. She was listening to a music. So here music is noun. And which is this noun? Can we make it plural? Musics? No. Can we add yes to music? No. She was listening to music. Did you buy a sugar? So sugar is noun over here, which is uncountable, should not be used with article a. You cannot make plural of this sugars. We can't make. You must eat apple every day. Here apple is common noun and it's singular. So here you must eat an apple every day. There is factory near my house. Factory is noun. Now this is countable and we are talking about a factory, one factory, so it should be a. There is a factory near my house. I am buying laptop this week. Here laptop is a common noun which is single, so we must use a over here. I am buying a laptop this week. The heart pumps bloods. Bloods is here wrongly used because you cannot make plural of blood, so it should be without es. The heart pumps blood. So these are some examples which show us how we must make use of countables and uncountables when we speak or write. Thank you.